Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we are going to see is like confirmed airdrop. They've already given the airdrop to the testnet 1. Okay, people who have tried, literally they completed an airdrop to 48k addresses, okay, that interacted with their test network, and this is their v2 testnet. Okay, so if you try this method you might be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, so confirmed 1. So before we see about it, how we're gonna get it, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and consider liking this video guys. I hope we will hit 200 likes, okay, in this video. Just click that like button and support me. And come on guys, let's get into the video. And people who have participated in this top goal airdrop, try to climb it on now 30th November. Okay, that day you have to come here and climb. Okay, the process I've already explained in this video. Make sure to watch this video to climb it. Only one more day left for this one. Okay, with that being said, come on guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, this project, don't take it lightly because this project has a huge partnerships. Okay, for example, Avalanche and Wormhole, Near Protocol and Harmony. So these are their partners and it is backed by so many big people guys, and their exchange is gonna come here. You can see in the roadmap, their testnet is just now launched and their token will be launched in the January 2023, and after that mainnet launch and many things. Okay, it is a huge project and backed by so many huge names. Okay, Near and like I already told you, Harmony, all these things. Okay, so try this one guys. The process are very simple. We just need to climb their testnet token and then interact with their platform. Okay, so the first step is we need to go inside this Go Ali faucet and make sure to have your MetaMask, okay, ready. Open your MetaMask and keep the Go Ali testnet. Okay, so select this network, and in case if the network doesn't show there, just click this show or hide test network and enable it. Okay, so once you enable it, you will be able to see this Go Ali. Just copy your address and just paste it here and just click send me ETH. Okay, then you will receive Go Ali ETH within I guess 1 minute. Okay, so if you check your wallet here, you can see I've received 0.2 Go Ali. Okay, so just climb from here Ethereum. After you climb Ethereum, then just come back here. Okay, Go Ali Ethereum, just come back to this Deepwater. Okay, so just connect your wallet first. Select MetaMask and connect your wallet. We just need to connect it. Once it got connected, and before that guys, if you want to find all this link, it will be available inside my Telegram channel. I have given that link in the description. Just click on it, it will take you to my Telegram channel. There you can find all the links. Okay, so once your wallet got connected, next thing what you have to do is let's just click on the faucet. Okay, so if you click on the faucet, we just have to select the Go Ali network and then toggle all these things. Okay, so just select all these things and tweet to climb the tokens. Okay, so just select that and we just need to tweet and then we're gonna climb the token. Okay, so we have to just tweet it. Okay, it will be automatically take you here. Just tweet it. So this is my tweet and I'm gonna copy the link of this one and come back here and paste the link here and your email address here and then submit it. Okay, click submit. Okay, once you click submit, now we have successfully claimed all the faucets tokens, and now we have to add tokens to our wallet. Okay, so just select this one and add the tokens here. Okay, in your MetaMask. So once you open your MetaMask, here you can see just click add token. Okay, so just add all these tokens, then you'll be able to see in the asset section all the tokens. Okay, so now here you can see I have added everything. So now what we have to do is, now guys, here you can see I have added all the tokens here. Now the next step is we have to deposit the USDT here. Okay, so just click on this deposit and select the Go Ali and select the token. Okay, USDC, and type some amount of token. Okay, 300, and then click deposit. Once you click deposit, the pop-up will open, then you have to deposit this USDT here. Okay, so once you have successfully deposited, and here you can see exchange. Okay, and the liquidity, ZRB token, all these things will be coming soon. We just need to do the, we just need to use this exchange thing. Okay, basic thing and advanced thing. In the basic, just open it and just choose the chain of Go Ali and select the token of USDC, and our token will be available here. Okay, your balance should be shown up here, and type the amount of $10. Okay, so some $10 and choose the chain here and Go Ali only, and choose the wrapped Ethereum. Okay, so select wrapped Ethereum, and we just need to submit a limit order now. Okay, to click set the limit order, then MetaMask will pop up. Now we have to just do the sign. Okay, so scroll down, and here you can see sign, and just click the sign button, and the limit order got submitted. Okay, and now the next step is click the exchange and click the advanced one. Okay, and select that, and here we have to do the trade. Okay, and if your balance is not shown up here, just deposit certain USDT like how we added before. And after you deposit USDT, what we have to do is just select this number. Okay, on the top here you can see, just click this, then only your order will go through, otherwise it won't go through. Okay, so just select this number and drag this around 5 to 2%. Okay, so for example 5% I'm gonna drag, 4%. Okay, so I'm just gonna place buy order, and then we have to do the transaction here. Okay, and again click the sign button, and then now here you can see the order got submitted, and we can see the past orders. Okay, so if you scroll down, I've already completed so many 6 orders. Okay, so like this you have to do it again and again for 5 to 6 times. Okay, once you do that, and just we need to take a screenshot of this page. Okay, just take a screenshot of this page and head out to their Discord account. So in their Discord you have to follow them. Okay, so first verify here. Once you got verified, just scroll down. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the general testnet. Okay, I mean testnet general, this option, just select that, and once you select it, we have to upload the thing which you screenshotted. Just upload it here with your Ethereum address. Okay, so just Ethereum address, open your Ethereum address, MetaMask, and copy the Ethereum address, and and then we need to add the file. Okay, which I took no screenshot. This is that file, and I'm gonna paste the address which I copied. I'm gonna enter it. Okay, so that's it guys, this thing only you have to do. Then the team will be checking your transaction, and then check your wallet address, then they will airdrop the tokens to you. Okay, so these are the pretty much all the process. Okay, and much more things are there in their exchange, liquidity and ZRB token, and everything will be coming soon. Okay, as of now this is it, just try. And what you can do is extra is, like, if you ask me, you can use the extra chain. Okay, now we are doing the transaction in Goali, try Avalanche. Some of you will face some problem. Okay, the testnet problem, because many people will be trying right now, so all of you will be facing the problem of not going the transaction, all these things. Okay, try using this Polygon or Binance testnet. Okay, so try different thing, then you will surely your transaction will go through. I recommend you to try it with the Binance Smart Chain testnet. Okay, so if you do that, your thing will be going through smoothly. So that's all I can say. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video, you will like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.